Free Lossless Audio Codec. It compresses audio without losing a single bit of quality. Audiophiles love it. VLC plays it perfectly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's listen to the quality. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value FLAC file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. FLAC files are audio files using the free Lossless Audio Codec, an open-source compression format that reduces file size by approximately 50 to 60% while preserving mathematically perfect audio quality. Unlike MP3 or AAC FLAC decodes to identical audio data as the original recording, making it the preferred format for audiophile music collections. FLAC files use a frame-based format with a metadata header containing STREAMINFO, Vorbis, comment, and optional picture blocks, followed by audio frames containing compressed PCM data. The codec uses linear prediction and residual coding with Rice parameter optimization, achieving lossless compression of 16 and 24-bit audio at sample rates up to 655 350 Hz. If installed, your preferred program for FLAC should be the VLC Media Player application by Videoland Project. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows can preview common audio formats, but detailed mixing or repair must be done in specialized tools. To resolve the application failure, right-click your FLAC file and choose Open With. Check for VLC Media Player and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If your FLAC file will not open yet, do not panic. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, playing FLAC files. Open FLAC files in VLC Media Player, foobar2000, or any modern media player with eFLAC support. For audio file playback, use foobar2000 on Windows or Audirvana on macOS, which provide bit-perfect output through Wasapi or Core Audio, bypassing system audio mixing for the highest quality reproduction of lossless audio content. Next, converting to other formats. Use FFmpeg to convert FLAC to MP3 with FFmpeg, input FLAC, codec, libmp3 lame, cubescale, A's output MP3 for highest MP3 quality, or to AAC for Apple devices with FMPeg. input FLAC Skylac output for it, use VLC or DB Power Amp for batch conversion of entire FLAC music libraries. Finally, verifying lossless integrity. Use the FLAC command line tool with FLAC tfilname.flac to verify file integrity. For verifying that a FLAC file truly contains lossless audio rather than a lossy to lossless transcode, use spectral analysis in Spec or Audacity to inspect the frequency spectrum for telltale lossy compression cutoffs above which no audio energy exists. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.